You think your car is safe enough? Well, these 5 gadgets might actually be the reason you walk away from your next accident. From AI-powered co-pilots to emergency response tech, these are not just smart. They're life-saving. Let's dive in. Z-Edge Dash Cam. Let's start with something simple but powerful. The Z-Edge Z3 Pro Dual Dash Cam. It records both front and rear in full HD with night vision and motion detection. But here's what makes it life-saving. In case of a crash, it locks the footage automatically. It gives you the truth in case of legal trouble and even alerts emergency contacts in smart models. Trust me, it's the one gadget you'll wish you had after something goes wrong. Smart Tire Pressure Monitoring System. A sudden tire blowout on the highway can be deadly. Most people don't realize they're losing air until it's too late. TPMS is your early warning system. Bluetooth connected, app synced, and constantly monitoring pressure and temperature. Some advanced systems even alert you of slow leak stays in advance. It's the kind of smart tech that silently saves lives. Blind spot detection sensor. We've all done it. That quick glance, then swerve, and bam! Someone was in your blind spot. Blind spot detection uses radar to monitor the sides of your car and warns you with a beep or light if another vehicle is lurking. It reacts faster than your eyes. Think of it as a sixth sense for safety. Once you use it, you'll never want to drive without it again. Dash cam with emergency recording. When accidents happen, stories get messy. Who was at fault? What really happened? A dash cam gives you the truth in HD. Today's smart dash cams automatically lock footage during collisions, record in low light, and even alert emergency services. Whether it's an accident, a scammer brake checking you, or just a crazy moment on the road, this tiny camera could save you thousands in legal costs and give you peace of mind. And finally, don't get caught with a dead battery. The NOCO Boost Plus is a portable jump starter that can bring your car back to life in seconds, even in freezing weather. It works on gas and diesel engines and also charges your phone or GPS with built-in USB ports. It's not just a gadget, it's your emergency power lifeline on the road. Every one of these gadgets could mean the difference between a close call and a tragedy. Which one do you already use? Which one are you installing next? Drop a comment below, hit like if you care about road safety, and don't forget to subscribe, because next week we've got even crazier car tech coming your way. This is AutoNext Picks, where safety meets smart.